Check out these easy to follow boat gas saving tips that will help you go faster and farther for less, reduce your consumption, and help you save some money. Number 1, take just what you need. Take a look at what you're carrying and what can be left behind. Hauling around a bunch of unnecessary gear forces your boat to work harder and use more gas. You do not need to carry as much water and gas as your boat can handle. Try taking just what you need for the day. Number 2, keep your propeller in top shape. This is another great boat saving tip. Keep your boat propeller always in top shape because nicked or dinged blades do not only diminish fuel deficiency, they can also cause engine vibration and engine wear. Make sure you are running a propeller that always allows your boat maximum efficiency. Number 3, change the oil, plugs, and air filters. Regularly change the oil and spark plugs in your boat. Gasoline-powered engines require mindful tuning, so replacing or cleaning air filter elements help your engine breathe easier and operate more efficiently. Some say that by replacing an air filter, your engine will operate 10% more efficiently than it would with a clogged air filter. Another boat gas saving tip is to maintain an optimum cruising speed. Needlessly pushing water costs money, and maintaining optimum speed slightly faster than minimum planing speed will maximize your boat's fuel efficiency. Study your gauges. Monitoring your speed, RPM, and fuel consumption will help you find your boat's most efficient planing speed. Last boat gas saving tip, keep it clean. This tip should always be applied regularly to always keep your boat in great condition. A hole covered with marine growth wastes gas. If you keep your boat in the water for extended periods of time, be sure to fight the plant growth because any extra buildup creates friction, therefore wastes gas. And finally, get your gas at the Boathouse Chicago, located on Pistakee Lake on the Fox Chain of Lakes.